understand how to identify the direction of the market through a series of successively higher tops and higher bottoms for an uptrend and a series of successively lower tops and lower bottoms for a downtrend, let's explore a different way through the oscillators. I have attached one of the most popular oscillators on the price chart of the S&P 500. In the blink of an eye, one can notice that the market has moved upwards as the MACD is in a positive area above the zero line. Now, let's move to a more interesting example, that of the US dollar to the Turkish lira. I am sure that the direction of the market is not really visible to the beginner, but you will agree with me that the MACD has moved to a negative area below the zero line, signaling a downward direction. Now, this is the early stage of a new trend, of a downtrend. Stay tuned for more.
Hi guys, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell to keep up with new videos.